While Coca-Cola may rule the soft drink world today, dominating shelves and hearts across the globe, there was a time when Pepsi came astonishingly close to being the top dog, not just in sales. At one point, thanks to a surreal twist in history, Pepsi wasn't just a soda brand. It briefly commanded the world's sixth largest navy. Imagine the world's sixth largest navy. Crews at attention, warships and submarines lined up. But instead of a flag from a superpower, these vessels were the logo of a soda company. This is not a myth or fiction. It actually happened, if only briefly, thanks to a Cold War barter deal that is as bizarre as it is fascinating. Pepsi had entered the Soviet Union's market in the 1970s, quickly becoming a symbol of Western culture. By the late 1980s, demand soared, but Russia's currency was not welcome in the global banking system. So the Soviets struck a deal. In exchange for billions of liters of Pepsi, they handed over what they had, a fleet of military hardware. The transaction included an extraordinary collection, 17 submarines, a cruiser, a frigate and a destroyer. At that moment, Pepsi, a soft drink giant from the United States, briefly commanded a navy larger than many countries. The scale of the deal stunned observers. It's the only time in history a beverage company could claim such a military feat. Of course, Pepsi had no interest in controlling a global navy. The ships were sold soon after, much of it for salvage and scrap material. But for that blink in time, the world of commerce collided with the world of military might in a way never seen before or since. For one brief moment, Pepsi really was the world's most powerful soda, on land and at sea. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and follow us for more such interesting content.